have balancing equations. First, you're going to draw a line right here underneath the arrow. And then you're going to come to the side and write out your whatever things. You got to write them on both sides. Then you're going to come over here and see what you have by your P. You have 4 P's. You have 2 O's. On this side you have 4 P's again and 10 O's. Then you're going to see which is not balanced. Right now your P's are balanced, but your O's are not. So now you're going to come over here to your O's and see what can balance them. So I'm going to write a 5 right here because 5 times 2 equals 10. So I'm going to cross out this 2 and write 10. So now they're equal. Then you're going to come back up here and see what goes in this line. 1 times 4 equals 4. So keep that like that. And then come over here and do 1 times 4 again. And there you have it. 151. Okay, here we have Na2SO4 plus CaCl2 CaSO4 plus NaCl. Okay, you're going to draw your line in the middle again, and you're going to come out to the side and write your, whatever these things called. So here we have Na dash S dash O dash Ca dash Cl dash. You'll come over here to the other side and write it again. Okay, so now we're going to see what we need to be. Well, let's just write what we have first. We have a 2, a 1, a 4, another 1, and a 2. And over here we have a 1, 1, 4, 1, and another 1. And they're interrupting my video, but we're going to ignore them. So, what is not balanced? The NAs. So right now we need to get this NA over here to be a 2. So we're going to go up here and just put a 2 right there. So now it's going to cross out this 1 and become a 2. But wait, what did it mess up? It messed up the Cl also because the 2 goes over to the Na and the Cl. So now you have to come down here, cross out this 1, and make that a 2. So look, they balance now. They're equal. And look, everything is balanced now. And then you can come back up here and put a 1 by your Na because 1 times 2 is 2, so I'll give you 2. And then put another 1 right here. Yep. Then another 1. So now your thing is 1, 1, 1, 2. And you put the commas right there. Done. Okay, on this one we have V2O5CASCAO V2S5. You're going to draw your line down the middle, or whatever, it's not the middle, but you know. Again, then you'll come over here and write your little things out. So you have V dash O dash CA dash S dash. Come over here and write the same thing again. Now, we're going to come up here and write how many we have. We got 2 V's, we got 5 O's, we got 1 CA, and we have 1 S. Then you're going to come over here and write the same thing. You got 2 V's on this side, you got 1 O, my bad, 1 O on this side, 1 CA on this side, and we got 5 S's. Alright, now we gotta see what we need to balance out. Your 2's look like they balanced, but your O's not balanced really. So you're gonna come over here and you're gonna try to get 5 over here. So I would say you come up here and put 5 right here, and it's gonna be 5 times 1, so it's gonna be, cross that out, make that a 5. But then that's gonna like kind of mess up your little CA, so you might as well just cross that out, make that a 5 also. Then come over here and write 5 up here again. cross that 1 out, make that a 5. And then it's going to mess up your S's as well. So, because you see it's go 5 to CA, then 5 to S. So just cross this out, make this a 5. Come over here. And your S is already 5 over here. So, yeah, that's good. And then, let's see, 2, 5, 5. Oh, it's balanced. But then you're going to come up here and you're going to write your 1s in the place of those. So 1 times 2 is 2. And then you're going to do 1 times 2, 2. Then 1 times 5, 5. And it's balanced. Okay, here you have C2H4O2 plus O2. Then CO2 plus H2O. Okay, you're going to draw your line down the middle. And then you're going to come out and write your things out. So you have C dash, H dash, O dash. Then you're going to come over here and write the same thing. C dash, H dash, O dash. Okay, so we have 2 C's, 4 H's, and we have 4 O's. Yes, we have 4 O's because you do 2 and 2. So that equals 4. Over here on this side, you have 1 C, 2 H's, and then you have 3 O's. See, 2 right there and this 1. So that equals 3. Okay, your C's are not all the way balanced. So you're going to come over here and you're going to write a 2 right here to make that 2 become this right here. So that became 2 and 2. Now you have to do your H's to get those to be balanced out. So your H's, you can write a 2 right here and make that 2 and 2, that's 4. So cross out this 2 and make this a 4. So now you can do your O's. You have a 3 right here, so you can do, well, when you do this, that's going to make that a 2. But I don't think I'm going to do that. Then that one. So let's see. And then over here you have, what can I put right here? For the O and 2, I'll put a 2 right here also. Make that. That'll be 4. That's 4. And then for this one, I can put 1 because they just gave me 1. So 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 4 is 4. And then 2. That. And then 2. So that's going to be 4 times 4. Well, it's going to be, really it's going to be 6. I'm going to make that to be 6. And then come over here. And this O right here is going to be 6 also. Why is that going to be 6? Let me see. 4, 5, 6. Yeah, right here and right here. Okay, and that's balancing out. Okay, for this one you have AG, BR, GA, PO4, AG3, PO4, GA, and B3. You're going to draw your line down there. You're going to write out your little things. You have AG dash BR dash GA and PO. Same thing. Okay, right here we only have 1 AG, 1 BR, 1 GA, and we have 4 POs. On this side we have 3 AGs, 3 BRs, 1 GA, 4 POs. So half of these, like none of these really balanced out, but the last kind of 2. So right here we're gonna just put, we can say we put 3 right here. So 3 AGs, that make that crossed out 3. This goes for the BR2, so you can cross that out and put a 3. So those are balanced. Then you're gonna come over here and you're gonna just put a 1 because 1 times 3 equals 3. So that make that equal. And then 1 times 4 equals 4. So PO is gonna be balanced. And then for your GA, you can just put a 1 right here also because 1 times 1. Yeah, 1, then 1 times 3, 3. So now it's all equal, balanced equation. And for this one, you're going to add a 1. I forgot to put that right there. I'm sorry. Just put that 1, and just going to do 1 times 1, GA, and then 1 times 4, PO.